feel like every little girl dreams of being something when she grows up. Some little girls dream about being lawyers, some dream about being mommies, and I waited for
Rapunzel had magnificent long hair, fine as spun gold. When she was 12 years old, the enchantress shut her into a tower. She placed herself beneath it and cried,
$20 million in a car. Girl, tie your hair up if you wanna be a star.
Hi, Jean-Benet.
He never knew what I was made of. He couldn't melt me, cold couldn't cave in me. He never knew my form or shape. His heart couldn't melt me, water couldn't make me.
Remember walking in and seeing her lying there in front of the Christmas tree.
How much of it is me thinking, and how much of it is me absorbing them thinking?